bags have been used for a long time as a material to build foxholes out of, military fortification, and for flood control. Both of these uses point to how strong the technique is. It was popularized in 1984 by Nader Khalili, an Iranian-born architect, and he proposed that a Velcro Earthbag or super adobe method could be used to build bases on the moon. In 1991, Mr. Khalili established the California Institute of Earth Art and Architecture, also known as Cal Earth. Since then, others have championed and modified the Earthbag building technique.